Don't be under panic when your Android phone is not working properly or your touch is not working properly. What you can do, I'll be showing it to you in simple steps. If your touch is absolutely not working on your Android phone, go to your power button and try to restart it once. As your touch is not working, you can't do anything from this place. You can only do it from the power button side, and just hold it until the power is off. So it's done. So once it is gone back to the power off state, and it will come back, and your touch might be working. If that is not working, the second solution which you can do is go to your power button and volume down, hold it for some time, and sometimes it will be taking the screenshot. Just hold it like this until and unless the power is switched off. Don't hold it for much time. After the just power is off, just leave it, otherwise it will be going into fast mode, and it will be a problem again. So let's see, it will come back and your touch might be working after this solution. Once we come back, it might be working properly. Otherwise, if it is going to fast boot mode, you can do the same thing. Just hold your power button for a certain time. It will come out of the fast boot mode. The third solution which we can do is, again, hold your power button, and this time hold your volume up button and simultaneously press it. Again, same thing. Whenever it gets power off, just leave it like this. Otherwise, it will go into recovery mode on so many Android phones. So coming out of Android mode again can happen with the volume up and down buttons only. That's not an issue. But as soon as it goes to power off state, just leave it so that it will come back with fresh energy, and whatever the eliminations it can do, it will eliminate all those errors or some kind of stuff which is inserted into your phone through malware can be eliminated, and your touch might be properly working after this solution. So these are the three solutions which you can straight away use whenever your touch is not working properly, and try to do a lot more apart from these things. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.